Step 1. Create, name and format an Excel file. Multi-column databases in Excel. Working with this program can be divided into 8 steps. The first step is to create an Excel file. Name it and format it. The Excel file created is called Personnel Database. The first worksheet in the file is called Production. On this sheet, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A to select everything. Choose Arial font and 12-point size. Highlight line 1 and make it bold. Everything else is entered into the file from the input mask.